Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Tuesday the 24th of June and I am here outside the burnt out remains of the Central Club on Kent Road, and as you can see there has been some start on the work, the demolition work. Not on the main building, it's on this side. So what I am going to do is, I'm going to walk around the whole thing and going to get a view from this side. So they are getting ready. This is going to be pulled down very imminently. It might even start today properly, I don't know. But they haven't got any of the bigger machines in yet, they've just got that one in. It's my day off work today, so I've got more filming time. I don't have to rush off anywhere. I am on the Blackpool Central Valentine's Old Odeon car park there, and I'm here to show you the remains of the very recently burnt down Central Club on Kent Road. They are like cleaning up and fixing the site. I guess they're checking it to make sure it's safe for demolition. It is going to be coming down. It's going to be coming down very, very shortly. They have got some work going on at the other side. Looks like they've pulled the far side of it down. It's a smaller machine. It's kind of a got his grabby head on. It's not got a dinosaur muncher on, but it's got like a grabber on. It's a much smaller off version of Desmond, I suppose. It's grabbing. There's a full skip full there, look at that. So the side bit's been sort of sorted out. There's a load of, all that fencing's been crunched up, that's been going to recycling. That skips, that's all like the brick and other miscellaneous skips there. If we look down here, we can see all these giant sleepers here. They're going to go and be spread out along the road here, so the bigger machines can get in to get rid of this building and demolish it. So yeah, it's going to be all coming down. I will do my best to film it. I am off work today, as I've just already said. But I don't know when actual demolition of this bit's going to start, because it's not going to start until the road's protected and also the bigger machines get here. You're wondering what that noise is behind us. There's bits of work going on at the old Odeon building there, and you can see that it's just a cherry picker. They're doing stuff with the roof. Don't know what it is. I guess we'll find out together. So yeah, that's what's going on inside there. can have a peep in here as we walk past. Look, no fences up. So look, I can just zoom the camera in a little bit in there, so you can have a look in there. Oh. Well, that was a bit rubbish, wasn't it? It's just an empty space really, with a couple of things in. We're not allowed in there, but you see inside there. Do you know, it doesn't look big at all. When it was actually open as the Odeon, and you'd walk in the front, then go around the side, then walk down that little like corridor thing with all the screens in, and it looked huge, and you think you're in a massive building, but when you just look at it like that from the back, it's not that big at all. So it looks like on that side, the whole roof on that side is collapsed inside. The roof on that side is sort of still on, but I would imagine the whole thing is like imminent danger of collapse. So that's why we're going to demolish it really, really quickly. Let's zoom in here, guys. Zoom, zoom, zoom. You can sort of see there through the windows, like the whole roof looks about to collapse. Let's see if we can peek round and get anything from this side. I'm going to go over the wall at this side, and we're going to just see if we can peep down the other side. And then what I could also do is possibly get a view from the bridge, or even a view from the front. I'm going to just see if we can get down here. It's very small on this side, but there's a much bigger drop on that side. Let's just climb over. This is probably very unwise for me, but I'm going to lower myself down slowly. Oh, that was actually easy. I was worried that was going to be a big drop, but no, it really wasn't. And that is that from that side. I can't really get through there. I mean, I could go through there, but I'm not allowed to go through there. But if I can get round the corner, I can probably show you from the other side, maybe. I don't know. No, the road's blocked up at the other side, so you can't really get down at all. But that is how that looks now. So what I'm going to do is, folks, I'm going to get up on the bridge and I'll see what I can show you from the bridge, yeah? So that's it from here, and I shall be right back when I'm on the bridge. Hi guys, just like that, I'm on the bridge. We've got a much better view of the roof now on the top of that building. Look at that. There we can see that digging machine, that scooper. It's doing the job on that side. We can see the upside of the walls there. I'll go out a little bit. There we go. So for the actual demolition, this could be a good option of where to film from. But also there's been plenty of good spots on the Odeon car park. There were a few people filming from the ground level. I mean, I did the first half of this video from the ground level. Sorry about the little bits of wobbliness. It's very windy today and I'm getting blown a little bit, and I'm on my own again as usual, so I'm kind of struggling with my handheld tripod. But while we're here, I'm going to just move over to this side of the bridge. This is the Princess Street Bridge. So if we go back in on this side here, we can get that better look of things that are going on at the Odeon. Oh my goodness, it's windy, guys, on this bridge. So really, there's not a whole lot happening right now. Maybe more stuff will start later on. I do think demolition of that building is going to start very, very soon. Sort of like what they did with the Ambassador Hotel, when they said it was in danger of imminent collapse. They came down, they did it really quickly. And same also sort of with the new Hackett's after that burned down. They said that was at risk, and with the buildings at risk and there's no salvage in it and it's not like protected or anything, they're just gonna pull it down quickly, aren't they? At least that'd be my thought, especially if it's really unsafe. Well guys, that is it for now, and I am going to finish this video because I'm going to go down there to the car park and we're going to go and film the Bonny Street, Chapel Street demolition, because I know you guys really, really would like to see that. So for now, I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.